Okay, hello everyone. Thanks for joining today's demonstration. So this is the Oracle Fusion Financials course, online course. We are going to start the new batch from March 16th, time morning 7 to 8:30 time. The mode of teaching will be in English. We have every month batch. Every month 15th we can expect the new batch. Actually, the duration of the every batch is 2 months. Here we have multiple batches like a morning batch and evening batch. Morning batch 7 to 8:30 will be in English language. Evening 9 to 10:30 that is a Telugu language. Okay, content and topics and everything is same, but the mode of language, like the mode of language mode is different. And moreover, so one batch, English batch will be started in January, closes in January, February, March will after 2 months. Duration is 2 months. March 15th will be closed. January batch will be closed on March 15th. 16th from 16th, our new batch will be started. The Telugu batch will started on February 15th. So it is supposed to be closed in April month. Okay, next month evening batch can be started on 15th of same date. So no, every month we have a batch. Either it can be morning batch or evening batch. Total duration of each batch is 2 months. So let's say if you have interested in continuing other, if you are joining in Telugu, if you are still interested into continue in the English batch, something you are joining in English batch, but you are interested into continue or learn more about in a Telugu batch also. You can be allowed. There is no additional charges or something. So you can join. You can add into that. You know. Uh, Folder access like a drive access you can get freely, so you can get multiple accesses like multiple batches you can add. Maximum I'm telling now, so maximum 2 batches you will be allowed in future, not after this batch you will be allowed to maximum batches to get more understanding of the course. So coming to this topic, like today's topic, so we are going to give the demonstration of Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, what we are going to learn. So in this session, I'm going to provide the details about so what are the course importance, like what is the application and what are the roles and responsibilities, what is the main profile, like the what is the impact of like artificial intelligence, and what is about current situation, like what is the future proof of this course, and how we are providing interview supports and job support, what is the course pattern, everything will be discussed. So first thing, I will explain the course content, how it was started beginning, like what is the current scenarios, and everything will be explained now. Okay, so before going to that, myself, Mahesh. So I have more than 13 years of experience into same Oracle Fusion application. Currently, I'm working in one top MNC company. Okay, and I have both functional and technical exposures. Like I have good experience in implementation and supporting projects as well. Since I'm currently working, so it will be advantageous to the students. Like so, whatever the new requirements, whatever the new concepts I'm going to handle in real time, that will be added into your training process. So it will be explained everything like a new topics or new functionalities or whatever the new challenges we are facing, what are the new fixes we have done. So everything will be included into your training. Okay. So I have experience in offshore experience and on-site also. I have been traveled into on-site Australia. So I was there for 2 years, worked for the implementation integrations activities. Okay, so I have good experience with how to it will be explained in our training process also, how we have to communicate with the clients, how we can deal with the clients, what kind of issues that you can expected. So what is the approaches you have to follow to provide the solutions for the client issues. So this is very important thing actually. So even after you completed courses, even here or anywhere, so main thing that you have to understand what is the real time cases, what is the real time process. So how it will be there in real time. Let's say you are taking the course. So let's say if you are putting something 4 years of experience or 5 years of experience into your resume, then how we can handle that real time experience, how we can expect. So my is the same something, all of you facing the voice is low or something lagging? Is it clear for everyone?
It's fine, sir.
Yeah, clear,
It's fine.
Yeah, JJ,
clear.
I think you have to relog in or something. You have to check your network. Something it is issue with you only. So yeah, others have confirmed that there is no issue. Where we are on? Yeah. Um, that real time level we have to understand basically like what kind of requirements that you have to work. So this is very important for the interview process. Something even if you got placed some in company, then it is very important thing that you have to learn. So those important things will be covered in our training. So the main difference between other institutes and our institute means that is the thing. The real time process will be included in your training. So there is no thing that nothing you can depend something on other after see in as per my experience, like as I got feedback from the students, and I got many inquiry calls from other students. So they have invested some amount into institutes and they got lost something, they are not properly you know communicating or something, responding after that they have paid amounts or something. After they completed the course, then there is no response on that. So they said something, they will provide 100% placement, but there is no response. Okay, so even they did not completed the course completely. So they said we will train for 3 months, but in 2 months they have completed the course, and I think they stopped in middle. you know so there is no, it will not be continued. If you want to join the next batch, you can join, but it will be stopped now. Okay, we are going to start the new batch. So this kind of strange behaviors they have, all of the students are facing. But I can assure that since we are taking very limited period, like a 2 months period. So within 2 months period, we'll close everything. So nothing will be pending. So you can expect very less holidays. Monday to Friday sessions will be there. Okay. Saturday, Sunday demo, and Sunday, every Sunday we have mock interviews. Saturday we have assignments. So 2 months it will be very like packed something. Uh, so 2 months of full pledged you can do your practice, and we'll get everything. So yeah, that much assurance I can provide you. So even a job opportunity, job assistance, even interview support and job support, everything will be provided. Okay, right. Coming to subject. So in this session we are going to discuss about Oracle Fusion application. What is Oracle Fusion application? Exactly what will be done in this technology level, and our profile. What is our profile, and what is the job roles and responsibilities, and course structures. What is the course structure, like how the teaching pattern, how it will be there, and who can learn this course, and and what is the eligibilities, what is the current market of this course, and what is impact of layoffs or artificial intelligence, if you have career gaps, and if you have something, if you want to change from one technology to another technology, non-IT to or IT, or if you are looking for the job placements, or interview supports or a job support. So how we can provide the service, those things will be discussed in this particular session. Okay, The first thing, Oracle Fusion application. This Oracle Fusion Cloud application, Oracle Fusion Cloud application has been launched in 2010. Okay, and it was published into market in 2011. So they have multiple modules like ERP, HCM, SCM, CX, and EPM. There are multiple modules they have in one application level. So we are going to concentrate on ERP applications. ERP applications mainly included financials, like all financials, GL, AP, AR, FA, CM, expenses. These are the important 5 or 6 modules we have as a financials module. Okay, all other modules also there, HCM, SCM, CX also there, but all these other modules are depending on ERP, all financials modules. So these are the branches like HCM, SCM, and other modules, whatever we have, we can consider them that they are branches. The main plant is Oracle. In Oracle there is a main plant that is the ERP application, that is Fusion Financials. Everything business activity like GL, AP, AR, FA, all these modules level, the main activities, the main business activity, let's say P2P process, that is in AP, OTC activity, that is in AR, assets and retirement activities, that is FA model, and reports and record to report, that is GL model. So in an organization, if you take the major activities, major business activities, that will be included in a financials modules. That is why this is very important. Even like if you learn HCM, SCM, and other modules, definitely end of the day you have to learn the Fusion Financials as well. So that otherwise it will be off of knowledge. So if you learn first Fusion Financials, then if you are interested still, then you can learn HCM and SM. It will not take more time. Approximately it will take 10 to 15 days. That's it. Okay. I mean, the HCM and SM other modules, it will not take more time. It will take approximately 15 to 1 month time. It will not take much time to understand or to learn the course that. But ERP is the main stream. If you learn the ERP, then it will make easier to learn anything. Okay. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. So the activities, business activities, if you take any example like any organization, so there is a activities, from the beginning of the activities like raw materials, from the raw materials to manufacturing one final product. So multiple manufacturing they can use, and they will process into one final product. So to in this process, from end to end process, there are many activities will be involved. All the activities will be managed in one system, that is called a ERP system, enterprise resource planning. So before ERP, so that means previous olden days. So when there is no ERP system, so the activities maintaining and operating of all these activities separately, this is very difficult to any organization. That is the most costly and more human resource are required to operate or to maintain all these activities. Okay, every company they have to maintain multiple systems, and multiple persons has to be maintained, has to record the records and the consolidations, and they have to make it everything in one place. So that is very critical, like it's very time taking process. There is no accuracy in the data. Sometimes when you are combining all the data, some data can be mismatched, some data can be duplicated. There are many issues. So before ERP, after ERP, so it's make everything easy. So whatever the data you are entering, whatever the, let's say, purchase transactions, sales transaction, purchase payments, sales receipts, or something expenses, or any kind of salaries, or everything end to end business activities, everything can be operated in one system, that is called ERP system. Here you can avoid the duplications or mismatches, or inaccurate, or something data, invalid data, something. So everything you can easily avoid it. All the data will be centralized. Let's say if you created employee in one system without ERP, if you create employee in one system or something, if you create supplier one system, or if you create customer in one system, so the same thing you have to create in another system as well. So you to create any kind of other dependency transactions. But in ERP system, you can create employee, you can create supplier, you can create customer, any one module level. So each module level, the same information you can use at application level. So it will be integrated internally to any with other modules. So that is the advantage. That is a simple example. So we have many things that will be explained in a training. So how AP model will be connected to the other AR model, expenses, procurement, projects, and how it will be connected internally. And let's say AR model, how it will be connected with order management, AP model, expenses or something, not expenses are advanced collections, cash management, and GL, how it is connected internally, how the data will be flowed from one system to one module to another module within Oracle, within the ERP system. Okay, so this is how the centralization of ERP now they are, it is very famous. See here, why we need to learn about these particular applications, like we have many technologies in other outside of organizations, like in current market there we have latest technologies and everything. So recently so yeah, I will tell that later point. We have another point, I will tell that. But yeah, so if you take any technology, if you take any technology, what will happen? So it will be used for any one kind of manufacturing or service company. So whatever the technology you are implementing, okay, whatever the technology you are learning, final the technology that should be used for one of the company. Whether it can be a manufacturing company, whether it can be a service oriented company. So technologies means technical side. If you are looking for the technical side, that is temporary. So this is ERP systems, whatever you are seeing. This is one of the technology, the main technology that will be used for the every company or organization. Technologies can be expected more, but system ERP system will be one. Every technology should be work for this ERP system. That's it. Okay, that is the importance of ERP system. So here I can see the business process. Like here I have mentioned two business, two manufacturing activities. You can see how that raw material will be converted into the final product. So car manufacturing level, you can see. So multiple spare parts converted into one final car, or from carry, their remaining mining level, how their extracted the material, how they produce the finishing product like cement bags. So enter the business process, the business activities, financial transactions, or any kind of activities, everything will be recorded into ERP system. Okay, so this ERP system can be expected in multiple organizations level, multiple industries level: manufacturing, distributions, professional services, construction companies, automobile companies, or something metal, or food beverages and telecommunications. Any company, this application will be fit, even it is a manufacturing or service oriented company. So if they are producing any manufacturing, like if they are manufacturing any final products, if they are providing any services, so if they are meaning like creating some, producing some profitability. If they are creating some profitability, then that will be considered as a organization or business process. Then they can use the ERP application. Coming to ERP models of ERP applications, we have Oracle, NetSuite, Sibyl, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, SAP, IBM mainframe we have. Next, Microsoft Dynamics we have. There are, in for public sector, we have. So these are all ERP systems currently, available in the market. There are many new ERP applications are also, currently using, but they are the famous oldest ERP applications, still working in the current world. So they are the top ERP applications as of today. So you can see Oracle Fusion application in the top position. If you compare with all other ERP applications, currently, top list, Oracle Fusion Cloud application in the top position. So many of the clients, many of the users, they are using Oracle Fusion application. Okay, they are the list of famous ERP applications currently. Okay, then you said there are many ERP applications. There are the old ERP applications we have, and they are the latest ERP applications, top 10 ERP applications we have. But why we need to choose Oracle Fusion application? Why we need to choose this Oracle Fusion application, and why can't we go for another applications? The main comparison you can see here. So whatever, if you go for the Dynamics, or if you go to the SAP or any other, Workday or any kind of ERP application, the main difference is that will be included more technical concepts. So you might need a technical skill set, and it is very difficult to go through. Like the navigations, application navigations are very hard, so you have to by heart everything. Okay, so the training process approximately it will take more than 6 months. And if you are continuing, if you are trying to job, and if you have to do the more practice, right? Approximately it will take more than 1 year. Okay, more than 1 year is for ready for the interviews. It's not something after 1 year you will get a job. You are ready for the interviews after 1 year only. That is how, long it will take. Like, 1 year means within 1 year many things can be changed. Maybe you can change your mind. Maybe many other things can be happen. You can drop off. So you can waste of your time. You can waste your money, everything. So if you choose Oracle Fusion application, within 2-3 months, you can complete your course. Within third month also, you can within third month you can start the your job trail, and you can get succeeded like within 3-4 months, or 4 to 5 months maximum. Okay, so how I can give that much confidence? Like, this application is very easy. There is no technology, like a technical complexity, something on screen level. So every setup and functionality, that there is a search bar, you can search for that and you can find it easily. So there is no navigation, complexity, something. If you compare with other applications, you have to go through the navigations, then only you can find out that particular setup or functionality screen. But here we can easily search and find out easily. Okay, that is a very user friendly application. So here we have a few reasons. You can see high demand. As of comparing with other applications, Oracle Fusion application is very, huge demand in current market. Let's say when that Oracle Fusion application are is using by multiple clients, multiple users, then you will get a opportunity. Just a second. So So whenever the more clients, the more users are using the application, automatically you will get a opportunity, job opportunities, or you will get a, you can see the demand in the market. Okay, so so here we have, since we have, let's say if we compare with our current position. So you are working since 5 years or something, since 4 years. So after that you will realize something, there is no growth in our current profile, current job. So maximum if I work for any like a after 5 years, maybe the position will be same, and the the promotion also very less. So I don't see any progressive or something, any growth in our profile. Means if you compare with that, compare the same thing in the Oracle Fusion application, you will see a huge growth in our life. Okay, when you start with your career with a functional consultant, and then year by year, you will see the growth. There are multiple positions: solution architect, or project manager, financial analyst. There are system administration. There are multiple phases you can go. Okay, so that is like a promotions based on your experience. You can achieve multiple phases, and future proof skill set. Here the skill set whatever you are learning this Oracle Fusion application, so it could be, now this is a starting stage, you can say this is a starting stage. So from last 5 to 6 years, I never seen any kind of bad news or something. So let's say in Oracle Fusion we have very less calls. This technology is going down. The share market is going down. There is no market for this application. This kind of news I never seen last 5 to 6 years when it was after when it was started. So Oracle Fusion application, they are adopting multiple technologies. They are, improving the application with the day by day latest updates, latest technologies. So ultimately, they are getting more clients. So that is where if you learn the course, then definitely you will get after definitely I can say 15 to 20 years. There is no other thought something I have to make. I have to change technology. I have to change my technology. If you thought something now, you are thoughting I have to change my technology. But if you take Oracle Fusion application, at least 15 to 20 years you can stay on the same application, same technology, same job. Okay. So in this course level, you will get some specialized knowledge on the particular modules level. Okay, GL model, AP model, receivable. There are 5 to 6 modules we have in Fusion application level. Under financials, you will get specialized knowledge on this. Okay, so salaries. Okay, coming to the salaries point, you can easily expect. Let's say initial salary will be, even if you are trying with the fresher, so the salary would be started from the 8 lakhs, 7 to 8 lakhs. So if you have 3 to 4 years of experience, if you have 3 to 4 years experience, you can expect 13 to 14 lakhs package. If you have 5 years of experience, that is 18 to 20 lakhs package. This numbers what I am saying, this numbers what I am saying, this is not a random number. This is not something approximate number I'm telling. This is the numbers what we got offers last few days, in last week also. That means here today we are in Sunday, like 3 days back also we got one offer. Last week also we got many offers. So I mean, high level I'm taking example like a initial fresher, 4 years, 5 years. So based on the experience, how like how much salaries that we can expected. Okay, so that what like I'm just comparing whatever packages we got. Okay, so we can expect good salaries, good packages, even after few days, like after few years, once you are settled down in one company, then you can jump into other company. You can switch into other company. Approximately, you can expect more than 40% of a hike. Okay, so when you are switching into other company, obviously 30%, 40%, it automatically increases. So I have seen a lot of people, like if you have more than 7 to 8 experience, you can exactly you can expect 25 to 30 lakhs package also easily within below 10 years. Below 10 years, you can expect more than 30 lakhs package. Okay. Yeah, that is, I'm just giving the lowest packages. Okay, I'm just giving the lowest packages. If I said 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs, then you don't believe that. But it is happening. If I said something for that 10 years of experience, you can get a 40 lakhs to 50 lakhs package. Maybe you can't believe that, but it is happening now. But still, I'm just reducing that. Instead of that, I'm giving a 30 lakhs or something. So yeah, simply you can get more, you can expect more packages. And coming to the current market, you can see like it is comparing the data from 2020 to 2030. Now we are in 2026. Okay, the growth it is increasing day by day, year by year. The cloud ERP applications level, the market, Oracle Fusion cloud application market. So it is increasing year by year use, that is where I mentioned it is a future proof course, future proof technology. Okay, so you can expect more expectations in a future, that is for sure. Okay, so if you compare with SAP, if you compare with SAP, how ERP crossed, like I said, Oracle Fusion application is in the number one position. Oracle Fusion is in the number one position as of today's, analysis. This is something I did not created anything. I got from the source, Google source. This is what I'm presenting. Okay, so how it is, reaching that position, like number one position. So initially, like 2000 up to 2019 time, that Oracle, SAP is the top position. But when they started, Oracle started cloud applications. Okay, and they have adapted many technologies, adapted many applications. Okay, they implemented a new uh, you know functionalities, features into the application. That's where these Oracle applications succeeded to integrate with the other applications. Here you can see year by year what they have changed Oracle level. Okay, what they have changed, and SAP level what they have do some changes, how it is crossed, the details you can see here. Okay, so this now currently Oracle Fusion application is the number one position. Next, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, Workday, and Infor. They are the list top 5 applications in a current market. So if you compare with any kind of all 5 of applications, SAP, Workday, they are bit technical oriented applications. But whereas Oracle Fusion application, it is purely functional. There is no technical component will be included. So they are the multiple applications you can see here. You can say ERP family products, ERP family products of Oracle. Oracle acquired all this, listed applications, listed companies, JD Edwards, Sibyl, PeopleSoft, and Hyperion, NetSuite. All these ERP applications, all this ERP application has been acquired by the Oracle product. So here main thing you can see e-business suite and Fusion application. E-business suite and Fusion application. These are the only two applications which is own product by the Oracle. Oracle own products are e-business suite and Fusion application. These are the two applications. Remaining all they acquired, they adapted other companies into Oracle. Still, these applications are working. These applications are working, but they are working under Oracle. So we'll see the difference between this e-business suite and Fusion application. E-business suite is a on-prem application. Oracle Fusion application is a cloud application. Okay. So now we are discussing about Oracle Fusion application. I will explain full details in regular sessions, like what is the main difference between e-business suite and a Fusion application. Okay, I will explain detail in a course level. Coming to subscriptions, so we are discussing Oracle Fusion application. This is Oracle Fusion application. Now we are about to discuss. Here you can see there are three type of subscriptions we have for the Oracle Fusion application level. That is SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. What is SaaS? What is PaaS? What is IaaS? SaaS means software as a service. PaaS means platform as a service, and IaaS means infrastructure as a service. Okay. So what is exactly will be provided with this subscription? Remember, this subscription is provided to the client users, exactly who are going to use the product, who are working on daily basis on their business. Okay, that is called client users. They will choose their required subscriptions. Okay, how we can choose the subscription? What is the what is the criteria? How we can select the subscriptions? Like let's say we are a client company. We have a business organization. How we can handle? How we can deal with these models like subscriptions? Let's say we have IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. I will come from the SaaS. Let's say you want to travel from one location to another location. You want to travel from one location to another location. Let's say there are three options. There are the three options. First option, you can take the taxi. You can take the taxi. Simply you can sit in you can take the car and you can sit and you can wait for you can travel for 1 hour or 2 hours. You can pay something and you can leave car. There is no responsibility on the car. There is nothing with you, just a payment you have done. Okay, that is the kind of organizations. If they are startup companies, if they are small organizations, they don't need any kind of other customizations or something. They just want to use for the transaction creations and report creations. They can go for this SaaS subscription. Coming to the PaaS level, let's say you have taken lease. That means driving you have to take care. Okay, you have to take care on fuel and driving and maintenance, everything you have to take, because you have you have taken the lease. Okay, so if you compare with the pass subscription, here you will get some access in the application backend level access you will get. Okay, backend level you can do some customizations. Okay, that customizations can be applied on our screen based on your requirement. You can change some changes on a application level. Coming to the IaaS, IaaS subscription means application level you will get the full access. Whatever you want to do in application level changes, you can do, like networking sharing, or integration with other application, backend level application, backend tables. If you want to change, then everything you can change it in IaaS subscription. Let's say IaaS is a high cost subscription. It can be expected multinational companies or big MNC companies, they can adopt it. PaaS subscription, it is a middle of subscription. You can take a middle level of companies. SaaS subscription, it kind of small companies you can expect. Okay, so these are the three subscription. It is for the client users. It is a client users. The subscription can be applied. So here each subscription level, what is the level of access? What is the activities will be done and who will work on that? Okay, from our point of view as a function consultant, who will work on the PaaS, who will work on the IaaS, who will work on the SaaS? PaaS level, there is a technical consultants. PaaS level, there is a technical consultant who knows that technical skill set, who have some technical a software level access or something skill set, additional skill set, they can act as a technical consultants. Coming to the IaaS, this is a DBA consultants that you must have infrastructure related skill set. That means you have to you have to manage the database management activities. So that is a DBA consultants. Coming to the SaaS, so this is our role, functional consultant role. So front end application level, so front end application setup and configuration and functionalities, daily functional activities. So who can provide the setup and configuration, who can provide the support from the end user for the end users, that person will call as a functional consultant. We are training on functional consultant uh, job role. Okay, we are discussing on functional consultant. Coming to exactly like what exactly do by the functional consultant. Now we are learning about SaaS level and a functional consultant role. Now we can understand what functional consultant exactly do. Let's say we have two organization. What is a business organization? One is our software company. Let's say ABC business organization is there. ABC business company is there. Okay, so they are using Oracle Fusion application. We are working like let's say we have a Deloitte company, that is a software company. So this ABC Limited company and a Deloitte company will get some agreement saying that we have end-to-end activities. We are using Oracle Fusion application, so we need some support, for our end users. Let's say ABC company, so they cannot provide the end-to-end application level access to the end users, nothing but employees. So employees are temporary; they are not permanent employees. Okay, in an organization, they can resign at any time. They can stop working at any time. So if you provide full accesses to the end users, they can do any fraudulent activity or something. It can be impacted to your daily business activities. To avoid that, company never company will never provide any end-to-end access to any employees. Okay, let's say if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, so this ABC Limited company will connect with Deloitte company. Deloitte company will provide consulting services. In Deloitte company, we are working as a functional consultants. Okay, we are a functional consultants. We are working in a software company. So now we are working with ABC company, AB as a functional consultant. Maybe later you can change to XYZ company as a client company. But you are in a software company, Deloitte company will work in a Deloitte company only. But the client companies can be changed. The client companies based on the requirement, our client companies can be changed, but you will be work in a Deloitte company only as a functional consultant. Your client will be XYZ company or ABC company. Okay, so this is what exactly we will do as a functional consultant in a software company. Now we have multiple software companies. There are many software companies existing in the current world, like in Hyderabad, Bangalore, any kind of world level. We have a lot of software companies. So each company level, we have functional consultants. Not only Oracle Fusion functional consultant, we have different technologies also. Okay, right. So this is like whatever we discussed here. This is high level. You can see client. Let's say ABC client. We have a client. They are using ERP application. Okay, Oracle Fusion application they are using. So end users means who are working in a client company, who are working on a particular Oracle Fusion application on day-to-day activities. They will call as a end users. They will call as a end users. The functional consultants who are working in a software company, they are providing services to the ABC Limited company based on their requirement. The requirement can be implementation, it can be supported on daily activities. So this software company, let's say Wipro company. Wipro company is providing services to the ABC Limited company. Okay, we are working as a functional consultant for the Oracle practice. So Oracle practice level functional consultant will connect with the ABC Limited company, will provide the solutions or services. Okay, there is agreement between client company and a software company. So always remember, end users will work with the client company. Okay, they are employees of client company. Functional consultants are employees of software company. They will provide services to the ABC Limited company, client company. You must understand what is client, what is our software company. Coming to the end user functionalities and functional consultant functionalities. So broadly, I can explain end users will limited to their business activities like purchases activities, sales activities, payment entries and receipt entries, reports generation. So on day-to-day activities, business level on day-to-day activities, end users will take in care. End users will do that day-to-day activities. Okay, so it's like a data entry. It's like a data entry activities. Coming to the functional consultant is having a responsibility of organization level. So in end user level, each each end user will be restricted to one particular activity, one particular module, one particular purchase activity or sales activity, any kind of one particular level of activity, they will limited. Whereas coming to the functional consultant, we will work for all the end users. So whatever the issues they got, they can approach to us. Like since you are working for the organization, like a client company, you have to provide the solution for any kind of a task, any kind of issues. So end users will have a domain knowledge. End users will have a domain knowledge or business process knowledge. And as a functional consultant with the domain and business process knowledge, we should have a application level knowledge. So functional consultants are mostly experts on application level. We are expert, we know that how the data can be entered, what is the setups would be required. So if you got any issues, where we can find out the issue, how we can fix the issue, that level knowledge we will have as a functional consultant. But end user is uh, mostly with the restricted with their day-to-day activities. Okay, right. So they are the roles and responsibilities as a functional consultant. So you must, understand the business process. So we have to provide best solutions to the client. So client always looking for the best solution, like to improve their productivity. They have to improve their profitabilities. Okay, they have to reduce the cost. So all these kind of requirements, as a functional consultant, we can provide the solutions, recommendations at a application level. So due to, I mean, based on that, they can reduce some cost. They can get reports at the easy way, and they can improve their business process, like where they are putting more expenses, where they are getting some losses, something where they have improved. Those kind of suggestion that we can provide as a functional consultant. So here you can see this is the career track for the functional consultant. So since if you started with a functional consultant, it can be, so after you can learn some technical, you can go for the techno functional, solution architect, project manager. So these are the hierarchies. You can get promotions as a functional consultant. Coming to our job description, that is a functional consultant role. Okay, this is a job designation that you can expect as a function consultant in any company. Okay, the work scope is implementation and support. What is implementation? What is the support? Implementation means that ABC company, they never used the Oracle Fusion application previously. So they are newly implementing this Oracle Fusion into their organization. That is called implementation activities. So implementation process is different and supporting process is different. So this will be explained in a real-time sessions. What is implementation? What is support? So everything will be covered in our real-time sessions. Coming to the support project. So support project also like so somebody like other software company has been completed the implementation process. Now we got the opportunity to work with ABC Limited company for this supporting, like they are doing on daily activities on the application. If they got any issues on the application, then they will reach out to our support. We can provide the support. What kind of requirements you can expected on daily activities, transactions level activities, new requirements, period closure issues, technical requirements. Okay, so here they will raise the instance or tickets, like based on that we will provide the solutions. Okay, this is the course structure. This is what we are going to learn in a course level. So Oracle Fusion Financials module, we have total 6 modules. One is AP, AR, FA, and cash management, sorry, uh, GL. They are the 5 modules, core modules. Expenses module also there, it is including an AP module. Okay, they are the important these 4 AP, AR, FA, CM. These 4 modules we can call as a subledgers. GL, general ledger, it can be called as a main ledger, and these are the 4 subledgers. So whatever the data you are creating in subledgers, everything will be transformed to the GL. So GL is main for reporting purpose. Here you can see cash to invoice to cash process, procure to pay business process, nothing but invoice to nothing but a O2C business process. P2P, procure to payment and a P2P process. Asset acquisition to asset retirement process. All these business activities will be divided into these 3 business processes. Okay, so all these 3 business activities will convert it into GL for the reporting purpose. Budget to reporting. Budget to reporting activities will done in a GL level. So here you can see business process and the models. Invoice to cash, invoice to receipt, nothing but a AR model. And procure to payment, it can be AP model. Asset acquisition to retirement, it can be assets model. So accounting transformation, nothing but a subledger accounting. Budget to reporting, general ledger. So all this module will be covered in our training. Broadly, I will explain how these 3 business process will be interconnected with each one like a business process. So they are the 3 business process you can see: invoice to cash, procure to pay, asset to retirement. These are the 3 things you can see. Let's say in first I will take invoice to receipt. Let's say we are a company, ABC company. We are announcing, we are manufacturing a brand new model, brand new product, and we announced in the market. We are going to launch a new product from our company in 2026. Then we got huge orders from the customers. So immediately you cannot deliver the products because the products are not ready. Okay, this O2C process mainly getting orders from the customers and make the delivery to the customers and collect the receipt from the customers. All the activities you can expect it in a O2C level. But when you got thousands of orders, since you don't have product availability, then you can connect with the P2P model. Here in P2P level, what will done in P2P level, you can go for requisition, like requisitions, purchase orders, creations. You will get the raw material from the suppliers. Okay, then we can start the procurement activities. Here you can see the process, P2P process, how we can get the raw material from the suppliers, how we can get the invoice from the suppliers, how we can do the payments to the suppliers. So getting material, raw material, and doing the payments to the supplier, that is called a P2P process. P2P process. I will explain P2P process and journal entries creation process. Everything will be covered. Coming to this is OTC process. Once the product is ready using that raw material, if you product is ready, then you can go for the sales activities. Here you can create a sales, you can deliver the product to the customer, then you can raise the sales invoices, you can expect the payment from the customer. Okay, you can create the payments, you can create the receipts. So these are the activities will be involved in a OTC level. Coming to the A2R, nothing but asset to retirement process. Here, so if you are manufacturing any product, if you are manufacturing any product or if you are making any product, mainly here we have to have one factory, or we should have one machinery. Let's say if you want to manufacturing one car, if you want to manufacturing one bike, okay, for each bike, you cannot maintain a separate machinery, cannot maintain a separate machinery. For all thousands of bikes will be manufactured under one machinery. Okay, machinery will be one, but thousands of cars will be manufactured under the same machinery. So how we can purchase the machinery, how we can maintain that, how we can run the depreciations, how we can like once the life period is gone, how we can make it retired, or we can resell, or we can scrap the machinery. Okay, here assets level we have machineries, we have plant and machinery, like equipments, we have building, we have furniture, computers, any kind of asset means the product, the component which is there for long time in an organization and which is helping for the productivity, production of and product, then that will be called as a asset. Okay, so asset creation to asset retirement, all these end-to-end activities can be expected in a FA model. So in our training process, this is a training process or training method. You can say Monday to Friday we have a live sessions. Monday to Friday. So since it is a morning batch, we can expect morning 7 to 8:30. Okay, so one hour session will be there. Remaining half an hour or 15 minutes, we can discuss each uh, you know student, like where they are stuck, what is the issues, what are the new like understanding they want. So everything will connect with the use like students and last half an hour or 15 minutes. Okay, we have a 3 levels of training. Okay, PPT presentation first will explain theoretically. So let's say if you started AP model, if you started a AP model level. So what are the end-to-end business process? What is the end-to-end business process? What are the important setups would be needed? What are the major functionalities that we have in AP model? So each end-to-end business process in AP model, everything will be explained. What are the technical like terminologies, the new terminologies what we have, everything will be discussed in a first theoretically. Once the theoretical is completed, then we can start the setup and configuration. Again, setup and configuration will explain that importance and why we need to create the setup, where it will be exactly reflected. Coming to the testing of functionalities, like all module level, we have a different functionalities. As a functional consultant, you must have knowledge on functionalities. Okay, so that means let's say one example. Okay, so the mechanic, bike mechanic or car mechanic. So if you have a knowledge on functionality, how this bike can be drive, how the car can be drive, then you will know that, like as a technician, you will know that how it is working from the engine side, where it is exactly like what kind of mechanism it is working to drive the car, to shifting the car, shifting gear and brake apply and acceleration like a clutch. So you can imagine where it exactly impacting in engine level. So same here. So whatever the setup and configuration for that functionality, it is depends on like it is linked with the functionality. So if you want to create an invoice in AP module level, okay, you must configure some setups for the invoice creation. First we have to like a setups level, whatever we have done, then functionality level also we can look back into that, like where you have to enable what kind of feature you have to enable to create a invoice. So these three levels of training will be there. So after this type of process, like you can understand easily, you can remember that terminology easily. Okay, coming to the Saturday weekend assignments, every Saturday we'll have an assignment on, from Monday to Friday, whatever we discussed. First, you have to complete your assignment. I will give some assignment task to complete the task. So on Saturday, you can sit in Saturday and Sunday. You can do the practice and application. Application will be provided. So application level, you can do the practice and you can provide the screenshot of the result, like a task. So this is working very great, like so this is what like a in initial I had told na, let's say you so what I was there like missed it somewhere. Let's say you completed a task like on day-to-day activities, Monday to Friday we discuss a lot of functionalities, and Saturday we'll give the task. If you complete the task means on every week for 2 months, you will be continued with my training, like my classes. So obviously within 2 months you can complete the course. As I told you previously, within 2-3 months you will be ready for the job trails. So if you compare with other institutes or somewhere else, they cannot, the students cannot be, equally, process with the lectures. Okay, the trainer will come and explain the topic and will close it. They will never come back and will ask something. This is the task you have to do something. It's not kind of you know uh, tracing or something tracking. But here we have weekend assignments, so that it is good, it is working very good, like every student has taking as a challenging something. If someone is doing, but what why I'm unable to do that, so they are sitting and they are doing the practice, and we are getting very positive result. So within 2 months, let's say we have completed the previous batch, January batch. We are going to close January batch within 1 week. Okay, so last assignment I have given. Last assignment, last week we completed GL. Okay, consolidation, translations, and very hard topics I have completed last week. I have given the assignment. Then now, last 2 days we got the assignments completions. So students started the, posted the screenshot of task completions. That means they are ready. They are ready to face the interview within 2 months. So before 2 months, like they don't know application, what is that application and everything. But after 2 months, they become as experts. They know everything. Like based on the functionalities, like whatever we have taken classes, now they are able to do that. So this is very big advantages in Saturday weekend assignments. And coming to the mock interviews, every Sunday morning 7:30 to 9:30 it is a mandatory. It is mandatory that mock interviews we have Sunday 7:30. But this weekend, like today we have. Instead of mock interview, I just explained how we can prepare a resume, how we can attend the interviews, how we can prepare our job portals and everything. Basic information. Few students have asked that, so how we can proceed our job trails. That's why this week I have taken the special uh, you know session for them. And we have a course duration for 2 months. Okay, uh, if you, I mean, now we are starting. course in March 15th, March 16th. So March, April, May 15th. By May 15th, your batch will be closed. 2 months close, 2 months period. Okay.
Sir, is it
So
evening batch or morning batch?
morning batch, morning 7 to 8:30.
Okay.
English.
So when is the evening batch?
Evening batch you can expect it in next month.
Next
Next
month.
next month, yeah. April 16th, April 15th.
Okay.
Yeah, morning batch will be in the English language. Evening batch will be in the Telugu language. So
Actually, the evening time will be feasible for me.
yeah,
So that is the reason.
that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, coming to your subject here, we are going to cover so multiple these are the functional activities that we are going to cover. So you know each module level we can cover functional, technical, and live project. So uh, so we will start with the live project only. We will start with the live project only. We will take one project and we'll complete 2 months. Setup and configuration and functionality testing, everything, implementation and supporting will do on one live project. 2 months we'll do one live project. Okay. So each module level will cover all kind of setup and configuration and functionalities theoretically and practically on application only. Okay. So here course offerings, you can see we will follow the regular sessions with the latest curriculum. Latest curriculum means list of functionalities. Let's say you can see some improvements by batch. Like a previous batch, maybe I missed out. I may not involve few other latest functionalities, but in this batch I can involve a few new scenarios, new functionalities from the application. Maybe it is updated in the application level. So that latest curriculum you can expected. So lifetime access of the recorded videos. That means so here every session will be recorded. Okay, every session will be recorded. The recorded videos you can get with your G Drive. You can provide it your Gmail ID. I will give the access to your Gmail ID. It will be lifetime access for you. And application access level, you can get 1 year access. Okay, you can do the practice for 1 year. Multiple access you can get. So now one guy said that I was looking for the evening batch. So even you can join in the morning batch. Okay, so you can get the drive access. Later you can join evening batch. You can continue the whatever you have gone through this through the drive. Then the same thing you can continue in the next batch level. Okay, let's say if you are joining in morning batch, but you want to looking for the let's say you are joining in English batch, but you want to access of the Telugu batch also. You can take that. I can provide multiple batches, multiple access to your one if you join in this batch, you can get multiple accesses, no problem. So resume preparation, I will give the sample resume formats and everything. So the special session also will taken care how we can prepare your resume and everything. And module wide every Sunday I told you now there is a mock interview session. Every Sunday there will be a mock interview session. This mock interview level will ask the question every module level you will get 100 to 150 question and answers every module level. If you prepared very well on that questions, that is sufficient. That is sufficient to crack the interview. So anyhow, on every weekend, I will prepare some latest questionnaires like whatever we got in our interview support level. We are facing new interview questions that will be added into your mock interview sessions. Okay, the real time sessions like we have real time session. We are going to start a real time session from Monday, from tomorrow 7 o'clock to 8:30 in the morning. Okay, if you are interested, anybody are interesting, then they can you can join. Okay, so in the implementation project level, okay, we are going to cover what is the methodology and what is the process and the documentation, what are the documents would be required, what are the customizations we have, and reporting activities, migration projects. So everything, migration of data migration and integrations. So those things will be covered in implementation project level. And coming to the supporting level, what is about SOW and how we can manage the tickets. So what are the ticketing tools we are using, and real-time issues, how we can deal with the real-time issues, how we can connect with the customers, how we can provide the solutions. So what are the different type of priorities. So those things will be covered in a real-time sessions. So it will take 7 to 8 days, like a real-time sessions. It will see this we using this real-time sessions. So enter this course like exactly 5 years of relevant experience, knowledge you can get it. Okay, maybe a real-time experience you may not get, but experience you can gain using this process, like real-time sessions and a normal course process. So here, job assistance program, we can provide course entire and end-to-end course, and interview module level interview question and answers. Okay, resume building, and we can provide the 24/7 support or something. If you want to, if you have any queries, if you got any errors, application level queries, then you can reach out me, or you can ping me on WhatsApp group. Then you can get the solutions. So we have a job support and interview support also. We have interview support. So for that, you can call me personally. We can discuss it. So since it is a public domain, I cannot speak about that. Yeah, you can call me personally. We can explain how we can deal with this interview support and job support and thing. Okay. Yeah. So they are the basic questions. I used to get when students call me for the inquiry purpose. They are the basic questions I'm getting. So I will give the answers on this. Then later you can ask your own questions. Okay. So this training can be learned by any graduate, any degree. If you completed any degree, if you have any graduation, then you are eligible. Okay, and even BTech or post graduation or anything more than degree, you will be eligible. And also, so since it is mentioned like Oracle Fusion Financials, is that related to only financials? Like something we need to do? We need any accounting background or something finance background? No, it's not kind of that. Like as I as I explained, there is a two kind of users: end users and function consultants, right? End users might needed finance and accounting knowledge. As a function consultant, you might not need it. So strictly you will be allowed, you will be work on the application level. So even if you have a accounting knowledge, that will be advantageous for you. Then okay, you can better understand like a business process. So even if you don't have accounting and finance knowledge, don't worry. Okay, so that will be covered in a training level, the scratch level, the main important accounting concepts I will cover in the training level. So the basic, what is requirement as a function consultant, what is the basic accounting skills that you required, that will be covered in our training. Okay, so you have 10 years of experience. I'm just working in as a non-IT. Then yeah, you will be eligible. So whatever the experience you have, that experience, half of the experience you can keep as a your domain experience. Remaining experience can be converted into Oracle Fusion experience. Then you can happily you can apply and you can get the job. So you have 8 lakhs packages, something. Let's say you have 10 lakhs packages currently. How you can expect? So 5 years of experience can be expected 14 to 15 lakhs. Okay, maximum whatever current package you have. So that is expected. more, you can expect more. Okay. So even you have a career gaps, you can fill up career gaps with consulting documents, no problem. So, but only thing is you have to avoid the big MNC companies. There will be a big challenge in background verifications. So you can go for the normal companies, consulting or normal companies. Then you can get easily survive for few years. Later, once you got proper experience generated, then you can go for the top MNC company. So you should not go for the top MNC company since you have you don't have a proper experience, proper documentations. Okay. So current market of the course, yeah, this is not my words. You can search in Google or somewhere. You can inquire with our colleagues. You can inquire any software employee. So what is the best course I want to take? So now I am doing another job, another profile, another IT. And there is no technical skill set. I just want to move to the IT job. So what is the best choice? That is simply you can get answer. That is Oracle Fusion. The very simplest way you can get into a software engineer, that is this Oracle Fusion application. If you learn the Oracle Fusion application, definitely you will become a software engineer. So so how many people were placed in jobs like so I cannot tell the number, but yeah, every week we can expect 2 to 3 offer letters. Okay. uh, for our students. So people, our students, like they are approaching directly, that they are trying their own job trials, and some people are taking interview support from me. Okay, there are two kind of approaches, but yeah, getting positive results. Okay. So yeah, interview support will be provided. Yeah, context document. I hope all of you got the PDF document. So if somebody is joined newly, something, if you did not contacted me, then just ping me on WhatsApp. I will share the context document. Okay. So communication skills. Communication skills is not a matter. Something if you have a basic communication skill set, that you can manage something, you can understand the other person, like a client or a manager or somebody, our colleague. If you are able to understand their language, like what is exactly asking, what is exactly explaining, then that is fine. Okay, you can explain on your own way. Okay, you must, since you are completed, you have completed your BTech or degree, the basic communication skills, whatever you have, that will be sufficient. That will be fine. So there is no additional English communication skill set would be required. So this is my number. WhatsApp number. You can note that down. Somebody, if you not contacted me yet, then you can call me, or you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will share the details. So yeah. Now tell me if you have any questions. If you have any queries, you can ask me and you can clarify it.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm
Yeah,
Mahesh.
yeah.
సార్ నాది అకౌంటింగ్ అండ్ ఫినాన్స్ అనే వర్క్ చేస్తున్నా సార్ ఇప్పుడు
Mm-hmm.
ఆర్ట్వేర్లో. ఇది నాకు నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఎన్ని మంత్స్ టైం పడుద్ది, నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ప్లేస్ కావడానికి ఎన్ని మంత్స్ టైం పడుద్ది?
So actually,
అండ్
since yeah, go ahead.
ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే ఎంత ప్యాకేజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు? అది మనం జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత మనం ఈ సర్వైవల్ ఎట్లా
So
అవ్వగలుగుతామా?
yeah, how much total experience you have?
2.5 years.
Okay. See, let's say since you are working as a end user, in application, same technology, same application. Okay. So there is a good chance that you can understand easily in the application level, since you have good hands on the application. So you can easily learn the total course within 2 months. Within 2 months,
Okay.
100% you can complete the course. Okay, then you can start resume. You can prepare your resume. I can prepare your resume, and you will be ready to face the interviews. Okay, so maximum you don't require any job support. Even if you need a job support, approximately can take 2 to 3 months job support. But yeah, definitely within 2 3 months you can understand the application very well. Then yeah, you can survive easily. Nothing to worry, because you are working on the same. Since you are working from you are from the accounting backgrounds and things, right? So definitely you can
Yes, sir.
understand the application very easily. So then, yeah, it is best choice that you can choose Oracle Fusion.
Yes, sir. I have one query. If they're working from office, how can you support work from, how can you support to work? This is my big query.
See here, that's
But,
what I'm telling. If you have a good skill set, like something, if you have done the good practice, let's say 100% of course, if you got 60% at least, so no need to worry about the support. Okay, so in real time, client will not call you on directly, or directly, now I want this task, just complete it in front of me. This is not kind of
yes, sir.
there is no kind of ask or something requirement like that. There nobody will ask you something, now right now you have to do this task in front of me, do that. It's not kind of that. So they will ask you, so Mahesh, we have this requirement, this is the issue, or this is the issue we are facing, can you please go through that, and can you please provide me the fix? Then you said yeah, I will go through that, and we'll let you know once it is fixed. Then later tomorrow you can meanwhile you can connect it with me, or you can go through that in a documentation, something in a, everything will be provided, everything. If you search in Google, if you search in Oracle guide document, Oracle documents, everything will be there. Okay, you can find out easily, you can provide the solution to them. So there is no something, there is nothing you can ask, you can get questions to immediate answers. Okay, right. So if you have a basic knowledge, then you don't need to worry, you can manage it, no worries, you can manage it. There is no hard something you cannot manage.
If we put the 3 years of experience, how much package we will expect, sir?
So you can expect minimum 10 lakhs packages, minimum
Minimum 10 years.
minimum 10 lakhs package, minimum 10 to 12 also you can expect, based on the company,
Okay.
or based on the requirement, their requirement, they can offer. So 3 years of experience means definitely you can expect 10 to more than 10. Okay, anybody, any questions?
Sir, good
Yes,
morning,
we
sir.
have calls.
Yeah, one by one.
Hello,
Yeah, go ahead.
నేను కళ్యాణ్ సార్ ఖమ్మం నుంచి.
Yeah.
నేను హాస్పిటల్ అకౌంటెంట్ గా చేస్తున్నాను సార్, టాలీ అండ్ ఎక్సెల్ మీద.
Mm-hmm.
ఇది అకౌంట్స్ పేబుల్, అకౌంట్స్ రిసీబుల్,
Mm.
ఇది పెట్టి క్యాష్ అవి. నేను ఒరాకిల్ ఫ్యూజన్ ఫైనాన్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను సార్. నాకు 4 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది, కానీ ఈఎస్ఐ పిఎఫ్ లేదు.
Mm.
నేను ఈ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చా?
So yeah, here how we can approach means you can put the third party payroll company payroll documents you can put up, and
ఓకే,
the experience whatever you have 4 years experience, so
ఓకే,
that you can keep into Oracle Fusion. Because since you don't have a PF and everything, that's fine, that you can get the third party consulting documents, and you can yeah, you can go ahead. So directly, since you have some accounting knowledge, and you can learn easily this application. So same
యా,
business, the whatever you are doing in a tally application level, as an end user you are doing, right? The same kind
ఓకే,
of a business process you can expect it in this application level also. But now here you are a functional consultant.
యా,
You are not the end users. You will not do anything day to day activities in application level. But you will you will act as a functional consultant in this model.
ఓకే, ఓకే సార్. ఐ హ్యావ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆన్ కొంచెం అంటే P2P
Yeah, yeah,
అకౌంట్స్
yeah.
రిసీవబుల్ మీద కూడా నాకు కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది, అందుకని నేను నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
That's fine. That's fine. That's what this is best suggestion, best suitable for you.
అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇది 4 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కాకుండా నేను ఓన్లీ ఓరాకిల్ మీద 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నాను. కెన్ సర్వై?
Yes, yes, yes. You can keep all 4 years of experience. No worries. You will get best packages. 15 to 20 lakhs packages you can get.
ఓకే, ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah. So nothing to worry. Something if I'm telling more packages, like oh God, 15 to 20 lakhs package means maybe the expectations are huge. Like maybe we cannot manage that. Nothing to worry about that. So the package is relevant to that position, like the profile. That's it. The activities, business activity, like once you enter into the organization, then the project level activities are similar. Like it is not kind of let's say we have a team. In a senior guy, senior consultant can expect they can get 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs packages. Less experienced guys can have 20 lakhs packages. Fresher can have a 10 10 lakhs package or 8 lakhs packages. But all are working, all are doing the same job, same supporting the same implementation activities. Yeah, nothing changed. Only thing is freshers will be very less work they will get. Seniors will get more work. That's it. More work means the similar work, same work, but priority first, responsibility most more responsibility taken care by the senior consultants. That's it. Nothing to worry about that packages. Yeah, it's fine. It's this fine. That's we can manage.
Hi, sir. Srinivas here.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, currently I'm working in one MNC company. My designation is a senior executive. It is impacted into the interview. My designation is senior executive, but here it is a consultant, right?
No, no, no. See, this is generic word I'm mentioning, functional consultant. But when it comes to real time, so that designation can be changed. This is not impacting. It will not impact to any kind of like in any job designation. Nobody will mention that what technology you are doing. Oracle Fusion Functional Consultant. It will never mention anywhere.
Okay.
Nobody will mention Oracle, SAP, or any kind of ERP application, any kind of model, any kind of technology you are working. That technology. So let's say we have a .NET, Java. Okay, we have a Power BI, Oracle, and SAP. They are the five technologies we have in the same company, same software company. Let's say 5 years guy joined. 5 years, 5 guys are joined. 5 employees are joined. All 5 employees are software engineers. Let's say associate software engineers. Job title. All five employees who they have a similar experience, similar age of similar years of experience. So all these 5 employees having the same designation, associate software engineer. Okay, here they will not mention Oracle or SAP or any other technology details. So
Okay.
that is kind of like, yeah.
And one more doubt, sir. It is any certification is required, sir, if you are get
Certification, there is no certification from any kind of institutes or something. So saying that certification means completion of course you are asking or something.
No, especially for Oracle certification,
I
it
will
is
come
there.
to that point. I will come to that point. So
Okay.
if somebody in a out of the world, you can see many institutes are there providing something certification, something course completion certificate. So you never and ever mention that we have completed the course and we have a certificate. That you should not keep in our resume. Okay, all companies are expecting a real-time experience, guys. But you mentioned something, you learn the course, you don't have the real-time experience, then your resume will not pick up. Okay, so please avoid something. If you got any experience or something, course completion certificate. Here we have a certificate, only one kind of certificate, that is Oracle University certificate. Okay, that examination that we have to write the examination, each module level, GL model, AP model, AR model, like that, each module level, they will conduct the examination. So we can get the pass percentages, 65%. If you got 65% or 70%, then you will be qualified. So Oracle University will provide the certification. Oracle University will provide the certification. That certificate will be eligible, valid for two years or 2.5 years.
Okay, is it mandatory to any
It's
company,
not
sir?
mandatory. It's not mandatory. If you have more experience, 10 years of experience or something, then it is supposed to be do the one module level certification. Then yeah. If you mention certificate, I have done the Oracle certification, Oracle University certification on EAP, on AR, and AGL. Definitely, out of 10 resumes, your resume in the top. Okay, we have a 10 resumes on the same profile, same position. If you mention the certification, I have done certifications. Then your resume will be on the top priority. That's it.
Okay.
Sir, AI impact. Okay, sir, go ahead.
Yeah, sir, actually, I have worked in 3 companies. So, company to company, when I change, there is a small gaps will be there, like 6 months. There is a 1 year due to some
One
personal
year
reasons.
means if you have 1 year gap, then definitely you have to fill with the third party payroll company payroll documents. If it is if it is less than 6 months or something, then that nothing to keep any documents. Okay, you can manage that. So since you have personal issues, you have some gap. That's it.
Okay.
And somebody
Do
asked about
you have
artificial intelligent impact. So nowadays we are losing the jobs. There are many people are losing the jobs. So remember that the nothing but AI impact on coding, like technical jobs only. Something C plus, we have a .NET or SQL, PLSQL or something Java. So any technical oriented, any coding related, opportunities, like so you can expect the layoffs because nowadays the artificial intelligence, nothing but chat GPT, there are many applications, there are many technologies we got. Within 5 minutes, you can get the, code. As a manual, you have to work for 1 week. But it will provide simply the total query, it will simply provide it within 5 minutes. So that's where the technically this impact will be there. But even Oracle Fusion application level also artificial intelligence are implementing. AI is implementing in every application, but here it will be impacted to the end users. Let's say end users in ABC Limited company, there are 80 members are working on application to enter multiple data. But using this artificial intelligence, you can import the data in single run. So instead of maintaining 80, they can remove all 70 people, and they can maintain 10 people. 10 people can manage the data import and data creation bulkly. Okay, they are reducing the cost. But as a function consultant, like it will not impact into any, you know, like any functional consultant job positions. But however, it will be, increase your opportunities. Something, if you are doing, the client is doing artificial intelligence using something automations. Let's say if it is failed. So the automation is failed. What is the case? Again, the functional consultant requirement. Functional consultant has to gone through that, has to identify the exactly what is the issue. Then they have to fix it out. So there, the functional consultant requirements are increasing.
Hi, sir. I'm
Yeah.
Arun.
Yeah.
Sir, I have 7 years of experience.
So first 2 years of after first 2 years of experience, I have 1.5 year gap. After that, I have continuous 5 years experience. So that one year experience, would it affect my job?
No, nothing. As I told you that you can fill with other documents and you can go ahead. No problem.
Okay. So one more thing.
Yeah.
So you will be teaching all the modules, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like I've joined one of the institute, and there they've taught GL and AP, and they said like you can start interview.
Mm.
So that will not be the case here, right?
See here, let me show you something. Let me. So I will show you that drive access. So whatever batches we have done so far. So 2025 last year. I mean, I'm just maintaining the drive. Previous 2024 and everything has been removed, deleted. Previous latest. So every month we have a batch. So let December batch you can see. So you can see all the modules, enterprise structure, rapid implementation, AP model we have, all approximately 36 more topics we have. And next expenses, fixed assets we have. And we have AR, cash management, general ledger. Each module level you can see this topics. Nothing will be skipped. Nothing will be skipped. Everything will be covered. Okay, everything will be covered. Cash management also you can see. No model will be skipped. Everything will be covered. Technical, taxes, real-time sessions, interview question and answers, mock interviews, resume preparations, set up screenshot documents. This is the December batch. Now we are in 2026. This is January batch you can see. Now running batch. Now we are in GL. Now we can start the real-time sessions. Same pattern, nothing is skipped. You can see AP, expenses, FAR, cash management, GL, everything is there. Now in February month recently we started. Now we are in AP model. We are in stage of AP model. Now we are started the accounting basics. Accounting basics also we are covering in the training. Okay. Like so far in AP model we completed 27 topics. Maybe this week we can close this AP. Next we can start another modules. So this is the way, like this drive access we will get for lifetime. This drive access you will get for lifetime. Nothing will be skipped. See, I will give all the module access, all the modules, content and everything. Course will be included everything, but I can advise you. Okay, so you can practice, practice. You can thoroughly practice on 3 modules: GL, AP, AR. But you have to gone through. You have to go through that FA, expenses, and cash management. You must know the end-to-end business process. What is going on there? Fixed assets also important. Cash management also important. It is not kind of like at least you can get the 3 to 5 questions on these 2 models. Expense also you can get questions, definitely. You should not avoid them. You should know the basic information on that. Okay, anybody, any questions?
Yeah, hi sir. This is Prithvi.
Yeah.
Sir, this course is uh, uh, sir, for beginners also we can learn now, sir.
Yes.
I don't know anything about this course. Then
That's
at
what
what period of time?
this course will be teach from the scratch level. So even you have a zero knowledge, That's fine. You can learn easily. See, from 16th of March, first week the sessions will be, you can attend on free of, like you can attend as a demo sessions. Okay, first 6 days, Monday to Friday or Saturday, you can attend demo sessions. So first you have to understand. So if you feel this course will be suitable for me, like this is very, like a first week, the main first week enterprise structure will be discussed. If you understand the enterprise structure, the remaining 2 months training will be very easy. The most important thing that you have to understand the first week. If you are able to understand, then you can continue the course. You can pay the course fee till first week completion. I never ask your course fee or something, any kind of confirmation, anything. Once first week completed, you have to confirm your course and enrollment, everything. Then you can continue the course. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So if you have any queries, then you can call me and yeah.
What is the major difference between Oracle Fusion and cloud?
Both are same. Oracle Fusion Cloud are both are same.
Okay.
Okay, we'll meet on 16th. So I will, if you have anybody like never contact me, just ping me on WhatsApp. I will share this content and WhatsApp group details. You can join. So you can join from the 16th of March, morning 7 to 8:30. Right. Thank you. Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.